Yo, what is good, YouTube and friends? You're here chilling with the real Satoshi Aoki. If you're a CRO holder, a Crypto.com supporter, smash the like button, drop an atomic bomb on that like button. Just take a seat on that like button if you're enjoying this 70-cent plus CRO token. There is all the hype surrounding Crypto.com, and for good reason. You see, guys, what all of you haters out there, hopefully there's very few of you watching these videos now, or you might just be the one person out of the 100 or so likes that I do get on these videos that doesn't appreciate me shilling Crypto.com. Maybe you don't realize, but yeah, we had some extremely boring price action with CRO over the last year at a certain point, but you just need to zoom out and see the bigger picture. Watch what they've been doing. They've been putting in some of the most serious fundamental groundwork over the last year and a half, and they will continue to do so going into the future. I am very, very adamant on that. And to be quite honest, there has never been a time in my life of a CRO investor. I've been there from the start. I bought in, I pre-ordered the Ruby Red before they were even MCO, before they were anything, okay, at the early stages, and I'm very, very happy I did that, and I can honestly say to you that I've never felt more bullish than now about the price of CRO and where the company is going. And therefore, investing in a card now, if you don't have one, it's just a bloody no-brainer, okay? Out of all the projects and all the things I shill and talk about and invest in my cryptocurrency career, Crypto.com, as it stands right now, is the biggest no-brainer to invest in. If you do want to grab a Ruby Red card or above, at the end of this video, after doing your own research, of course, there will be an affiliate link to easily do that at the top of the description of this video. If you do use the link, you will get $25 worth of CRO unlocked when you do use that. Most other YouTubers won't tell you that, but that's the specifics, all right? I will also get $25. On top of that, I'm not sponsored by Crypto.com, never have been, wish I was, but that's okay, because you guys can just support me by liking the video, subscribing, and turning the notification bells on. The reason that you do come to the Satoshi Aoki YouTube channel and subscribe is because I bring you Crypto.com content, at least one video every single week. We cover price action, we have a look at what's going on with the price, and we also give you a bit of news as well as the odd how-to tutorial on how to do things in the Crypto.com ecosystem. I do have a free Telegram group, so make sure you head over there. And also please go ahead and follow me at my Twitter at SatoshiAoki7. The link for that one will be in the description of the video as well. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so just starting over on CoinGecko here, let's just have a bit of a look at the percentages for the 1 hour, the 24 hour, and the 7 days. We are seeing a sea of red, generally speaking, in the top 20. If we do just have a look here, let's have a look and see what has been performing okay. AVAX, guys, I did jump into that one at around, what the price at now, 142, jumped in about $70, $80. Very, very happy with that bag, guys. Video's not about AVAX, but if you are looking for a bit of a more stable investment, sort of in that top 15, not financial advice, of course, I would go to AVAX, okay? It's a good one to really get your hands on there, okay? And, oh, who is that? Who is that there? 69.6% over the last 7 days, 5.2 over the last 24 hours, and 1.7% up for the last hour. Crypto.com CRO is detaching itself from Bitcoin, from Ethereum, from gaming crypto, from the whole altcoin market, guys. We are sitting here at number 13 overall with a booming market cap of almost 2 billion, guys, almost a $2 billion market cap, guys. It is a good time to be getting into CRO, and if you're wondering if you're too late, look, I don't think you are, okay? If we scroll down and do have a look, guys, it's important to zoom out. Okay, zoom out. Might even just go to the 1 year. Just take a look at this. So a lot of boring price action here from a long period from April 2021 all the way to arguably here, okay? The 24th to October. People get bored in this time. They sell, they, get rid of their card stakes, do all that sort of thing. But whilst all of this boring price action here is happening, what is going on in the background, guys? It's not hard. Follow them on their Telegram, follow them on their Twitter. That's Crypto.com, of course. You can see the ongoing, continuous, fundamental work that has not been reflected in price at the time. But all of a sudden, when you get staples, when you get UFC, when you get F1, when you get NBA, all right, God knows what's coming next. I say it in every single video. You get a boom shakalaka bang. Okay, 16 hours ago, down 7.1%. Folks, this is absolutely ridiculous. I picked up at 3 cents, big bag the first time. We're sitting at 74 cents. $1 could be very, very possible this year. I do not give exact price predictions on this channel, but I can tell you one thing. It's a stable blue chip investment. CRO is going up. There is no holding it back, okay? The simple fact that people are going to buy, invest, hold a card for a 6-month period to get the juicy benefits, which I am actually going to be talking about in the latter part of this video, just to give you sort of noobs out there a bit more reason as to why just getting a card, at least a ruby red, is a no-brainer. Don't be skint and just waste your time getting a free card. It's literally a waste of time. Invest a few $100, get at least a ruby red, if not a jade green, guys. Have a look at this, guys. From almost 3 years ago, we are up, let's call it 6,000%, 5,958%. Look at that price. All right, look at that price. I really feel for any of y'all that got out because you were unhappy about the swap from MCO to CRO. What are you going to do? You're going to go and protest? What's that going to get you? Nobody cares about your protest. All right, acknowledge you were unhappy, move on, decide to get in or get out, and then leave the space or stay. It's up to you, but stop carrying on. All right, CRO is a genuine product, 13 overall. We are going places. This is going to be fundamentally a top 10 altcoin by the end of this year, very, very possibly, okay? So now, folks, let's just head on over to the actual card tier. So for anyone that wants to just waste their time on even bothering to get a Midnight Blue, I mean, there it is, okay? You can get 1% back and it's free. 1% cash back in CRO, okay? Still better than you're going to get on your standard debit card, I suppose. But, guys, just for 400 USD, you can get 2% cash back and 100% free Spotify, okay? Now, do bear in mind, the Spotify is reimbursed in CRO, because I always get so many people saying, oh my God, I thought Spotify was free. Guys, it gets paid back to you in CRO after you make the payment, okay? So you got to sign up your card details, right, to your Spotify account, and then when that payment goes through, you will get reimbursed in CRO. It's not locked up. You can sell it for Bitcoin or keep it or whatever. I don't care, all right? But that's what happens there, and you get your 2% cash back there. Okay, that's for your Ruby Steel, 400 USD. And I need to make you people understand out there. For those of you noobs, I know there's a lot of veterans probably watching this video, a lot of my sort of longer time followers, and I appreciate that, you know, this part of the video probably doesn't have a great deal of value for you, but I do need to explain because I know there's a lot of people on the fence about potentially getting a card. You do not spend 400 USD in exchange for a Ruby Steel card. You invest. The key word is that you invest 400 USD worth of CRO at the price of CRO on that day in return for getting a Ruby Steel card. Okay, 2% cash back, guys. Any other perks, they're not really existent. Me, myself, as I said, I did start with the Ruby Steel. I very quickly, actually, I did upgrade to a Jade Green. All right, Karina also as well. Okay, this one, guys, I think is, you know, this is a good investment right here. This is a good middle ground. If you're someone that's perhaps been in the crypto space for, you know, a couple of months, you've seen some good returns, you've got a bit of extra cash to invest in a project, guys, this is kind of like a blue chip no gainer. You're not going to probably see the 20 to 100 to 1000x gains, but you're going to get a solid maybe 2, 3, 4x maybe even more over the next couple of years in a stable asset of CRO. You're going to get a juicy 3% back. I've been enjoying that for the last couple of years. You get 100% free Spotify and you get 100% free Netflix, right? Here in the UK, Spotify is about a tenner a month. Netflix is about a tenner a month. Call that 20 a month. Guys, 20 a month, guys. That's £240 every year that you're getting back in CRO rewards completely free. It's a no-brainer, guys. It's a no-brainer, all right? I invested $4,000 and I have like over 2x my money. I've over 2x my money, and I am actually going to be upgrading very, very soon. I've got about 22 days left on my DeFi wallet unbonding period. I did do the unbonding like nearly a week ago or something like that. As soon as I can get that out, I'm going to restake or add to my stake and go for that icy white. Maybe the frosted rose gold, but maybe a bit girly for me. All right, I think I'll probably go for the icy white. And with the icy white, guys, going on to that, that's a big boy investment. Okay, we are talking a big boy investment, okay? Now, you know, I wouldn't personally, in my personal situation, I'm the kind of person that's going to be pulling extra capital out from other altcoins because I do a lot of investing in gaming crypto on this channel. But, you know, considering that I had it staking on the DeFi app, all right, on the DeFi wallet, the gains just went astronomical, okay? They've been going astronomical lately, so it just made sense to me, and I know it's going to make sense to a lot of other of you watching this video, to just simply invest to get this, because check it out, guys, 40,000 USD, you're going to be getting 12, I think it might even be 14% back, okay? 14% back, because I think it's 12% on the CRO, okay? That's for the card stake, okay? Sorry, yeah. So I think you get 12% back on the card stake, all right? Plus you're getting 5% back on all purchases. Think about it. airport tickets, B&Bs, holidays with your family, vacation, appliances, new computers, everything. 5% back on everything, in-store and online purchases, guys, merchants. That is a huge figure, all right? If you're a big boy spender, 5% is a lot to get back, right? Just do the math, work out what you're going to spend for the year on your normal debit card, all right? Knock 5% off that, work out the savings in CRO and asset that's going to be going up in value. It's going to be going up in value, guys. It is literally just a no-brainer to get one of these cards, okay? Now, the benefits that do come with the Icy White and the Frosted Rose Gold, free Spotify, free Netflix, free Prime, okay? You do also get 10% off Expedia, all right? You get the airport lounge key as well as, you know, you get that one with the Jade Green and the Indigo as well. But you can add a guest, guys. Okay, you can add a guest to the lounge key. All right. You get Crypto.com private and you get bonus rewards. So you get extra 2% bonus rewards on your stake. So for example, to just give you an idea, what I'm planning on doing, I'm currently getting 6.5% APR with my Jade Green on my BTC stake. All right. On my Crypto.com app, but it's going to be going up to an 8.5%, okay? So I'm currently in the process of farming as much BTC as I can from everywhere, absolutely hands bleeding dry because I've been doing so much farming of BTC, and I'm going to be getting that nice, secure 8.5% rewards paid back and made in my available BTC balance on the Crypto.com app, and I can do with that whatever the frick I want, okay? On top of that, you get a nice little exclusive merchandise welcome pack, okay? Nice little welcome pack there. I haven't heard great things about that, but I don't know, maybe it's improved. Maybe you get like a few stickers and a nice little hoodie or something like that. And that's pretty much it, guys. And then for the biggest OGs of the space, 400,000 USD with an 8% cashback. Of course, we get all of these original things here. The only differences here, folks, is you get the private jet partnership. And, you know, I don't know if that's changed. I'm going to be honest, I don't know much about what that is now, okay? I think it used to be that, you know, if you did hire a jet, you just get a free bottle of champagne. I'm hoping that it's better than that because, honestly, for 400,000 USD, I would have thought, you know, with what Crypto.com is making, and for the people that actually do invest 400,000 USD in that Obsidian, they should be able to get at least a ride in a private jet once per year, okay? At least a free ride in a private jet for 400,000 USD. I don't know, maybe that's a bit of a stretch. Maybe that's a bit of a stretch, but at least some air miles or something. I don't know. Okay, so I don't know. I haven't done much research about, you know, what that is right now at the time of making this video, and I can't really be bothered. But if anyone knows, just let me know in the comment section of this video. Alrighty, folks. So just before we do round up today's video about Crypto.com, let's just take a bit of a look at the Twitter account. Currently sitting on 1.2 million followers and growing strong. Let's keep scrolling down, guys. For those of you that haven't seen the advert about Matt Damon, come check it out here at the official Crypto.com Twitter here, and we're just gonna have a bit of a look and see what's going on at the moment with Crypto.com, a few of their more recent posts, if we just keep scrolling down until we kind of see something interesting. Have a look at this, guys. A Fortuna favorece os bravos, okay? See us in your city, snap a pic and share it, okay? So this is in Brazil, guys. They're not playing. They've literally taken out an entire building. Okay, and just stuck it up there. I don't know how the sort of Central American, South American marketing is going to go because, you know, it is a bit of a poorer area of the world, and I'd like to think that, you know, it is possible for a lot of people to invest from there. But the fact of money is that the standard of living and the earning in certain places is just a little bit lower than areas such as, you know, UK, Australia, United States, that kind of thing. That is just a simple fact. But, you know, it's a starting point. You know, it is definitely a starting point. If we keep scrolling down, what else we got? Okay, we've got some interesting news on Supercharger. I'm not personally a user of Supercharger. I use it for a bit, but the interest was actually quite poor, and I just kind of thought it was a waste of time. But if you're interested in doing Supercharger, all right, you can check it out. We're adding a 20x booster bonus to the ETH Supercharger. Okay, you can get a chance to win up to 30% APY, which is a 20x. There's an allocation of 1 million USD. There's better places to sort of compound your money, in my personal opinion. But if you're someone, you know, that just prefers to use the trusted service Crypto.com, then you might be sort of, I guess, interested in that one. Also, folks, I have noticed, then, again, I haven't been doing much research, but they have been getting into NFTs a lot more specifically the 10K collections. I don't know how some of the earlier NFT drops for Crypto.com really have been going, whether they've been reselling. I've got a few Crypto.com NFTs in my Crypto.com NFT portfolio, but I've noticed that they are catching on to the trends with more of the 10K NFT collections. They got punks, they got these sort of crow lines or whatever, and, you know, I genuinely do hope that Crypto.com NFTs do go well one day. At the moment, I don't know what it is. I'm just not really feeling it personally. I do have a lot of OpenSea NFTs, but it's definitely something that I'm not closing the door to. I very much have my door open, but I am currently quite I would say overly invested in NFTs, so I'm not really in a position to personally be looking into too many more Crypto.com NFTs. But, you know, let me know as well in the comments if you have had some good experience flipping Crypto.com NFTs and whether you think it might be a bit lucrative and I could possibly get involved or make some more videos about that. The fact of the matter is, folks, if you don't have a Ruby Red card or above yet and you plan to get one in a year, you're just going to be getting less CRO. So what does that mean? You're going to be getting less investment for that price. So if you do have the money that you can afford to lose to invest in a card today, all right, and you're the kind of person, because I know that there's probably a lot of you watching out there, oh, do I do it? Do I not? It's $300, blah, 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 blah. Even though I'd probably go out and spend that on drinks and a night out and literally 2 nights, you're probably going to think to yourself, you know, do I do it? Do I hold off? And by the time you faff around, before you make this decision, a year will go by and you'll be buying in at 2x price, okay? So just make the decision now if you're gonna do it, okay? These videos are never financial advice, you gotta understand that, but the fact of the matter is, Crypto.com, I'm gonna keep saying it again so it just sinks into the psyche. It is a blue chip. Guys, it's going to the moon, all right? It already has, it's pumping, all right? Who knows where the price is gonna end up at the end of this year, but you know, we'll be making videos about it every week, tracking it. Make sure you do get signed up to get that card with the link in the description of this video. Any questions, comments, let me know. Drop an atomic bomb on that like button before you sign out. Please just literally take a second to do it because it really does help the YouTube algorithm and really just to shill the message of Crypto.com CRO to everybody else and help with this world domination, this world takeover of Crypto.com. From wherever you're watching, have a blessed and profitable one in the cryptosphere, and we will catch you in the next video. Cheers.